Hey folks, it's Ray and Bob. We're taking apart the V10. It's looking pretty bad.
Holy smokes, we're gonna have some carnage.
Yeah, so
I can't believe that thing was running as good as it did.
That's real bad, what they'll say. That's real bad.
That thing is hell, dude.
There is pieces and parts everywhere.
Oh no. I would say that's not good.
It's a nice bearing.
There's like pieces of bearing stuck in this rod. Probably because the bearing was spinning in the rod.
Yeah, that's real nice.
So what you got there is
Both
at least 2 layers of bearing. So kind of a pro tip, speed secret here, double up your bearings.